Hello everybody and welcome back to Lolo's channel. My name is Andrew and today we are going to talk about where the Bitcoin bottom could possibly be. So as Lolo mentioned, I'm here in order to present you technical and fundamental analysis on this YouTube channel. We also have a Patreon channel if you want to support us. There I post some of my trades. Please notice that it's not a signal group, it's just my opinion about the market. I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research. So in order to see where the Bitcoin bottom could possibly be, we will look on the history of Bitcoin on the Bitfinex on daily time frame. So first of all, let's measure how many days were from the top, and I'm referring to date from this top and when the Bitcoin hit again the same top. So as you can see, it took 3 years and 4 months almost for Bitcoin to reach the same high. So as you can see here, it was a shorter cycle, and I'm referring to that it took only 3 years almost to reach the same high as it was in December 2017. So now let's measure when the cycle will end. So starting from this top and measuring almost 3 years and a half. Alright, let's say it is here. Alright, so TradingView doesn't show us where this will be, but let's try something. Last date, so let's say 1st of March. Alright, until here. $300. That's mean 10 months. That means 10 months. Alright, so the date will be March 3rd, somewhere around February 2025. Alright, so let's write it down here. Around Alright, so here we think that the Bitcoin will reach the same high somewhere around 69. Okay, and now let's look where the bottom for every cycle was. So here we have it after, let's say here, right, and here we have one here and the other one is somewhere around here. All right. So here we have the bottom after 1 year from the top. Here is almost 1 year, and here we have another bottom. Let's say it was a bottom. It was the COVID crash, and it was after somewhere around 2 years and 4 months. So now let's go on our cycle and measure 1 year. Somewhere around here, right? So let's say that we already are in the bottom, but in my opinion this is not the bottom. And after 2 years and something, let's say somewhere around here. So as you can see, we have this zone from here to here, yeah, where the Bitcoin bottom could be. This is the period, but let's measure how low it was. So we have 83% here, and here we have 86. All right, so from the top, measure 86. So here, all right, so is the same as where I have this alarm. So in my opinion, the Bitcoin bottom is somewhere around this period. So from now until December 2023. So this is my accumulation, let's say, period, which I'm looking for here. How long are we gonna stay here? Somewhere around 1 year and 2 months, in my opinion. So it's in 2023 where will be the recession, in my opinion, and also the war with Russia and Ukraine will end. So after that we are going to see the again Bitcoin reaching the same high. Oh, this is not the exact process that Bitcoin is going to. It's just my opinion about the market. Also, I am looking to the Fed, and America didn't say that we are in a recession now, but in theory we are now in a recession. So as a conclusion for this analysis, I could say that starting from now until somewhere around December, we could see the bottom. Right, so this is just a prediction. I couldn't say prediction, but it's just my opinion. So also I think that Bitcoin won't go directly here, and after that we'll see here. Now I think that Bitcoin first of all will gonna pump a little somewhere around this zone, and after that we're gonna see the capitulation. Looking on the psychology of a market, I think we are now in a denial phase. If you have any question about this, leave a comment down below. That's about it for today, guys. Don't forget to like this video, share, and hit the notification bell so you'll be noticed every time we post a new video.